Have you ever had bulgur boiled dumpling? Well, if you want to learn how to make these, just continue watching. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome as well. Please tap the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell. In that way, you'll never miss another upload. So let's head over to the kitchen to prep this one. Continue watching, guys. So here I have some bulgur wheat. I'm going to pour some boiling water on it, cover it and allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Then we're going to rinse this well, and then we can start preparing the dumpling. So continue watching, guys. This is what the bulgur looks like after soaking for 10 minutes in the hot water. So now I'm going to add my all-purpose flour to my bowl and my bulgur and a bit of salt. And we're making two kinds of bulgur dumpling. So continue watching to see the other option. So I'm just going to add my soaked bulgur and a bit of salt, knead, and then we start adding the water gradual to make a nice dough. So after kneading this for a couple of minutes, this is a dough that we're ending up with, and this is nice. I'm going to put this aside so we can make the other type of dumpling. Now we're going to add the bulgur, our all-purpose flour, and cornmeal, a bit of salt. Do the kneading process as before, and add the water gradual till we get a nice dough. In the meanwhile, add your pot with water and salt to boil so we can put our dumpling to cook. So continue watching until it's time to form these nice wheat fiber dumplings. Our two doughs from our bulgur wheat dumpling. So now we're just going to take portions and form our dumplings. and these will be visible to show the difference. Hence the one with the cornmeal is a more yellowish color, and the one with the bulgur and just flour is more whiter. So we're just going to make these, add them to our water to cook until they float to the top, maybe like 11 minutes, and then we can serve this up. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and tap the subscribe button and turn your notification bell for future uploads. And also check out our channel memberships where you get first hand look of videos to come. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. Let's see how we're going to serve this one. Bulgur dumplings ready. These cook for 15 minutes. Yes. And I want you to tell me in the comment section if you have ever tried bulgur wheat dumplings and if you would try this one. And here I serve this one up with some baked bean and saltfish. Look how beautiful this plate is, guys. Let me take a screenshot for you. Yes. So if you love what you're seeing and you want to see more, please tap the subscribe button, hit in the notification bell, like the video, share, and drop me a comment below. And again, guys, thanks for all my returning supporters. And for those of you chipping in for the first time, so much for stopping by. You could have stopped anywhere else. So I appreciate you guys so much. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.